Dear student, welcome to the new video. Here we are going to discuss analysis about GATE Aerospace 2021 result. So, yesterday itself we got our result, right? So, total number of candidates appeared 4914. Only 17.28% students qualified. Topper got 84 marks. Average marks out of 100 is just 15.4. For some branches, it is more than 79. Cutoff was 26 for general category, 23.6 for OBC or EWS, 17.5 was for SC/ST. Okay, this thing already you know if you have your result. Now you see, if you have applied or if you are planning to apply for PSU or MTech MS admissions, then you have to go through the interview process as well. Not in all IITs. For MTech we don't have interview for all IITs, but for few IITs we have interview for MS, and definitely if you have applied for PSU like HAL, because we have vacancy now, so there you have a process, interview process. So through interview process only you have selection. So interview preparation batch for these things, MTech, MS interview and admission something. So we are starting the batch from 27th March. Now who should join this batch? If you have very good rank through which you are comfortably can join MTech in various IITs, then no need to join this batch. If you have less rank and you are less confident about your admission and you are thinking that you may get chance to join MS admission, then in different IITs and in IIST, IISC, you have interview session, right? So you have to cross interview session. If your rank is not very good, but still you feel that you can crack the interview, then you can definitely join this batch. That's why fees is very less, just 5,000 rupees. In this fees, what are the things are included? So 27th will start. So online teaching, I will teach you guys for interview preparation. So first thing, the teaching part, and the course will go for 1 month plus. Okay, we'll finish everything within 1 month. Topics and questions will be highly technical and deep. Means what? It is not going to be kind of a regular topic what we take in our aerospace department for GATE preparation, right? These will be the topics what is highly important. You should know, they can ask in your interview session. Okay, just an example, when we find out sigma during bending moment. What is sigma? Bending stress, right? So one small question they can ask: what is difference between direct stress and bending stress? Like these kind of questions. They will not ask how to find it. They may ask one very basic example. They may ask how many types of stresses are there, how many types of forces are there. Like these kind of questions they can ask. Okay, why are we using cusped airfoil? Like these kind of questions they can ask. What is the use? Like it is not like only these questions they are going to ask. I am just saying that how these questions are different from GATE preparation. So what are the subjects we are going to focus for interview preparation? So thermodynamics, aerodynamics, gas dynamics, fluid mechanics, stability and control of aircraft, strength of material, airplane design, aircraft propulsion, and miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, they can ask some basic questions as well, right? So students will get online mock paper also after every class for practice some conceptual questions. Okay, so it's like it is different from GATE aerospace preparation. First thing, now after the complete interview preparation, you will be having 3 mock interviews online. I'll be taking these 3 mock interviews and I'll be asking all those technical questions. What are the possibilities, right? So if you are thinking that you should enroll for this course, like under what condition you should not enroll? If you are confident that you can get your admission in MTech in any IIT or NITs, then you should not enroll for the course. But if you have doubt that you may not get admission in MTech, but you may get admission in MS, so in MS you may face interview, right? And nowadays rules and regulations are being changed, so who knows, some other day some new rule will come. So you should be ready for interview as well. And see, if you are not willing to join my course which is properly designed for interview session, then you can also crack interview based on your self study. So I will suggest you in this video how to do self study, what are the topics you must touch and go. So see, all the basic thermodynamics, you complete all the basic thermodynamics. In fluid mechanics, you just leave statics part, and other than statics part, in dynamic part, you just complete the idea of velocity, acceleration, Lagrange's approach, and blah blah things, right? You understand this point. And either you say in thermodynamics or fluid mechanics, or combine this, say gas dynamics. In this gas dynamics, you should touch compressibility, right? And you must do three things. Energy equation you write in all the three form, right? Differential form, integral form, and that form what we use for the numerical purpose. Energy equations, you should be clear with the momentum equation. Like see, these things I'm teaching and this thing I'm saying what you can prepare for the interview. Momentum equation also you have to prepare, and after that, conservation of mass, we prove the equation, right? That equation also you must prepare. So in momentum equation, you must be ready with a Navier-Stokes equation, right? They can ask the forms of Navier-Stokes equation. And if you are see, actually basically when you will enter to the room, there will be some professors, and they will be asking your interest in what subject you want to do the interview. So out of these subjects you can choose any subject in which you are feeling comfortable, right? And then they will be asking some questions. They can ask any question actually. So you should be definitely ready. So if you are doing self study for the interview preparation, it is very less time already. You have less time because you have to prepare some numerical part again, because you have, if you are applying for a HAL, you should again go through the some questions. So that also I can guide you if you are joining me. And fees is just 5,000 rupees, and we are starting from 27th March. So you can just ping me, and I'll write my number here, +91 India code and 6380135260. And for me, so I am aerospace plus mechanical engineer, and I have qualified GATE 5 times. Going to IIT is not my basic dream. Teaching is my passion, that's why I'm into this. I'm teaching GATE aerospace from last 6 years. I'm also taking subjects for mechanical engineering and XE subjects. In XE I take 3 subjects, thermo, fluid and so. Other than that, I take complete course for mathematics, right? Okay guys, so you might be knowing a lot of things about me. And last day I got good news. My student from my coaching, Mahesh Negi, he got 22 rank, and he was enrolled in online regular class. So very soon I'll be uploading his interview. Yesterday I was about to upload the interview, but I could not find time to get his interview. So and last night I asked, last night we talked, me and Mahesh. So he said, sir, even I am tired, and I was also very busy. So either today, I mean tonight, or tomorrow we'll be having that interview, and I'll upload the entire interview, raw interview, uncut video, right? And you guys can watch that interview session. And one more thing, if you have any personal question, what you want to ask from Mahesh, you can text me that question in the comment box. That question also I will ask to Mahesh. Or if you are not comfortable to texting here, because students are